Hey Kipsters, happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. We are going to kick off CGI today by going over the last problem that I left you with on Friday. Let's quickly go over that before we jump into a new problem today. Ray has 45 fruit snacks. Joe has 27 fruit snacks. How many more fruit snacks does Ray have than Joe? Give me a big thumbs up if you were able to solve this on your own over the weekend. Awesome. So I chose to do this by doing a subtraction problem. I started with my bigger number and I subtracted away my smaller number. The way that I showed that was by drawing 45 and then taking away 27. I took away my 2 tens and I knew that 5 was not enough, so I took 2 off of a 10 because 2 plus 5 is 7, took both of those away, and I was left with a 10 and an 8, and that got me 18. Give me a big brain match if you also got 18 as your answer. Wow, nice job, you guys. I am so excited to jump into our problem today. All right, so for today's problem, my good friend Samantha needs our help figuring out something really important. Samantha was organizing her room at home, and she was organizing all of her school supplies, and she realized that she had 66 erasers in her house. But then she lost some of them. And then by the end, she realized that she had 17 erasers left. What Samantha needs our help to figure out is how many erasers did she lose? If you think you can help Samantha figure it out, say, I can do it. Nice. Let's read the problem 2 times, and then I'll see if you can retell it to me. Samantha has 66 erasers. She lost some of them. Now she has 17 erasers. How many erasers did Samantha lose? Let's read it one more time. Samantha has 66 erasers. She lost some of them. Now she has 17 erasers. How many erasers did Samantha lose? Before we get started, I gotta have you retell it to me. Hold on. I almost forgot that part. All right, Kipsters, go ahead and retell that story to me. Nice job, you got it. So my big question to you before we go to solve is, did Samantha lose more or less than 66 erasers? Let's hear that again. Did Samantha lose more or less than 66 erasers? Get ready to show me on your hands. This is more, this is less. Get ready. Show me. Oh, I see some showing more and some showing less. Let's solve to see who's correct. You're going to have 4 minutes to solve this problem. Pencil and paper out, your neatest work. Don't forget a number sentence and labels to show how you solved. I'll meet you back here in 4 minutes. Get your paper ready. Go ahead and get started, Kipsters. Nice job, Kipsters. I can already see that neat and organized work. Don't forget to label all the parts of your problem. Keep up that hard work, Kipsters. Don't forget a number sentence. Great job, kiddos. If you're already done, try to solve in a second way. Less than a minute. Get ready to help me solve. I hope you're ready to help me out, Kipsters. Great job. Okay, so I'm going to show you two different ways that I chose to solve this problem. If you did anything similar to me, give me that big brain match, or feel free to take notes on your paper. So I'm going to start by doing subtraction. I'm going to start with my bigger number, the number that she had to start with, and then I'm going to take away the amount that I know that she has in the end to find out how many she lost. So I'm going to start with 66. Let me get my cubes out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are 66 cubes. Now, in the end, she has 17. That's one of my parts. I'm going to take away the part that I know to find the part that I don't know. So I'm going to take away 17 cubes. So I'll start by taking away a 10. And then I need to take away 7. But this is only 6. That means I need to take away how many more? You've got it, one more. So I'm going to take away 6. And one more means I took away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I took away 7. So I took away 17 cubes. That leaves me with 10, 20, 30, 40. And I took away 1 from a 10, so that means I have 9, 49. Let's see how we would do that on the paper to represent our thinking. All right. Perfect. I'm going to start, same as with my cubes, with my 66, and I'm going to start by taking away 17. I'm going to take away a 10. Same thing as before. I only have 6 ones. I'm going to take a 1 off the top. This becomes a 9. I'm going to take away this, and now I'm going to count how many I have left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 49. So I know that 66 minus 17 equals 49. I wonder if any of you chose to solve it with subtraction too. If you did, great choice. Now, another way that I can choose to solve this problem is by taking my part and adding up to my total. I'm going to take my smaller part and I'm going to add up to my total. Get ready to help me do that. So I'm going to start by taking my cubes and I'm going to get my smaller part ready. So I have a 10 and I have another 10. I only need 7 of them. So I'm going to take off 1, 2, 3 because 10 minus 3 is 7. So here is 17 to start with. Now I need to add up and I need to get to my bigger number, my total of 66. But I'm going to do this by decade counting. I'm going to do it by decade counting. The way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to add 10s to my number I already have and count like that. So I'm going to start with 17 and I'm going to add 10s to make it go quicker. So 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67. Wait, I only need to get to 66. So 67 would be too much. Can't add another 10 with decade counting. Now let's add 1. So I have 17, 27, 37, 47, 57. Let's count ones. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Whoa, 1 left off that 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means I used 9 ones. All right. So, to my 17, I had to add 10, 20, 30, 40, and 9. That's perfect. That matches what we got up here. Let's draw it out and make sure we are correct. So, the Schultz is knocking cubes over. Okay. So, started with my 17, and I'm going to decade count up. 17. That brings me to 27. 37. 47. 57. And then remember, we couldn't add another 10. 67 was too much, so we added 9. So I have 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Beautiful. So what that showed us was that 17 plus 49 was equal to 66. Very nice job, Kipsters. I hope that you liked the 2 ways I solved and that you think about using one of them the next time you do your math on your own. Before we go, I'm going to leave you with a problem to solve for next time. All right. There we go. Our new problem to solve for next time on our own is Mrs. Ellis bought 54 toys for Bentley. He broke some of the toys. Now he has 28 toys left. How many did he break? Let me read it for you one more time. Mrs. Ellis bought 54 toys for Bentley. He broke some of the toys. Now he has 28 toys left. How many did he break? I'm going to cover this up and I'm going to leave you with this for just a minute. I can't wait to see how you solve it on your own and for us to check in tomorrow. Bye, Kipsters. Go ahead and get started copying this down and start solving on your own.